Very good morning to all of you. My name is Manas Pandey and I'm here to tell you how to print any 3D object. Whatever imagination is coming in your mind, we can create that in reality. How it is possible, today I'm going to tell you. This is the printing machine. As you all can see, this machine has been designed in the Department of Mechanical Engineering UIT, and here we are trying to print the name. We are trying to engrave the name of United Group of Institution on a trapezoidal plate, as you can see. Firstly, let me tell you the basic size of this bed. The bed of this machine is, the size of this bed is 25 centimeter cross 25 centimeter. It means we can print any object made up of PLA, polylactic acid, and this is very good. You all can see the name engraving United Group of Institution is going to be print within I think within 1 hour. As you can see, the digital board of this machine, 55% has been already printed, rest 45%, which will take approximately 1 hour, and just after that this will be ready, this design will be ready. First of all, what we have done, we tried to make a 3D model on the SolidWorks, then we tried to convert it on STL file, and finally with the help of this 3D printer, as you all can see, this is the material, and finally this will be the size of this kind of shape. Thank you so much.